Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see about Spring Boot. Spring Boot, it is a tool which is used to develop the web application and microservices with the Spring framework. The main features of the Spring Boot is auto configuration and approach which is used to reduce minimal configuration and the ability to create a standalone application. Here, Spring Boot is used to create the RESTful API, and the main advantages of Spring Boot is auto configuration. Unlike in Spring Framework, we will use a lot of configuration manually. We used to set up the Spring project, but here in Spring Boot, uh, there will be a minimal configuration so that it enables the auto configuration. We will see a difference between Spring and Spring Boot. Here, Spring is an open source lightweight framework which is used to develop the enterprise application. Whereas in Spring Boot, we used to develop the REST API. So then, here Spring in main advantages of Spring framework is dependency injection and IOC, but in Spring Boot we use auto configuration. The main feature is auto configuration in Spring Boot, and then here in Spring framework, it doesn't have any server implicitly. Implicitly, we have to inject the server in a Spring framework, whereas in Spring Boot, it is completely inbuilt with one server called Tomcat. So in Spring Boot, we have a embedded server in it. Okay, unlike in Spring we have externally injecting the server, but in Spring Boot by default a server will be there, and also by default there will be a H2 database is also there in Spring Boot, but in Spring there will be a no database support. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how to set up a project in a Spring Boot. Let's go. Enter into a browser and type Spring Initializr. After click here Spring Initializr, then click here Maven Java, and then Spring Boot version 3.3.4, and then here com is domain name, and here example is company name. So an example, in that place I'm giving Shakti my name, and then artifact name. So in artifact name I'm going to give it is a project name, so I'm giving a demo app, and we need to add the dependency. So your Spring Web, and check the Java version of your system and jar. Then click on generate. It will be downloaded. So I created a separate folder for this project. Here we need to select the path. So I'm giving a Spring tutorial and save it here, and then go to that folder, extract this zip folder. After extracting zip folder, open Eclipse. File, import, Maven, type Maven, and existing Maven project. Click here and browse the directory. Select the folder. Here it should come as pom.example. Only then we have imported the project successfully. So now we imported our project successfully. Then finish. Make sure that you have an internet connection. Okay. So now our project is building. It's taking time. You can see here. Now our project is successfully built. Our first Spring Boot project is successfully built here. So we can see that there is a lot of options here. Here we can see that in com.shakti.demo app we see there is a class. So this is the main class. From this class only we will run the entire application. Okay. So inside this package only we have to create sub packages. Okay. If we create the package other than any folder means it won't work. Okay. We need to create any packages means we need to create inside this com.shakti.demo app. Okay. So here we can see that Spring application dot run demo application. Okay, let's execute our first Spring Boot application. Okay, we can see that Tomcat is initialized with port 8080. As I mentioned earlier, I said that in Spring Boot server is implicitly given. That's why we can see that Tomcat is initialized with port 8080. So in this section, that's all about setup. In next video, we will see how to run our Spring Boot application.